You guys gonna drive it? And Tessa, push Ian. Oh, you want in there?
Tessa, push him from the back.
Push Ian. Push it like this.
Tessa, you know how to push. You push it all the time. Not in the stand now.
Here, Ian's hair was just flying.
Yeah,
Funny.
push him this way. Push him this way. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Careful. I'm going to have to take the car and put it in the garage.
Ian wants out. He's bailing. Run around, Ian.
She gave you a kiss on the face?
Tessa, what's your doggy's name? What's the puppy's name?
Where's Libby?
Where are you going?